threading a SMITCH 4-thread industrial overlocker, the 747s. Okay, this is the machine here, right? It's your cotton stand. All your thread needs to go up into these guides that you see on top of the cotton stand. So for each one, you need to take your thread, put it in this guide here, bring it down, put it in here. All four is the same, right? So let's start with threading your machine. To open the cover, you move it to the right and you drop it. And then to open the side cover here, you got a button that says push here. You push that button and it will open up. Then you have another guard here, alright? Then to lift your foot or move it to the side, alright? Your needle need to be up. You lift this. If you look here, there's a lock here. And then you just push it and it will open up. Threading your machine. Take your thread, put it in the guide here. Take it to the back. And put it in this guide. All four will be the same. Alright? They thread the same way. Alright? This is for there's 4 tensions on this machine. The first one is for the bottom looper. The second one is for your top looper. This is for your right needle and this is for your left needle. Okay, let's continue. So you take the thread, put it in this guide here, put it in between the tension disc. When you come down, you put it in this guide. Only these 2 tensions have this bottom guide here. The needle tensions do not have that extra guide. Okay. Alright, now you take your thread, you bring it down, you put it in here. The threading on these machines, the 747s, are the same regardless of the brand of your machine. Alright, so you put it in there, you come down, put it in this guide here, put it in this guide that you see. You put it in this guide here on your left. Put it in this guide. Then you take a tweezer, you can put it in here. Alright, take your thread to the back, this way. Now if you look at this wheel here, you see on the cover there's an arrow facing this way. So your wheel only turns this way. So turn the wheel a little bit so you can see your looper. So when you turn it, you'll be able to see the looper, and then put your thread in from the back. Alright, then take your thread, push it to the right again. Then we're going to turn the wheel so the looper moves again. Take your thread, put it in this looper, and the threading of the bottom looper is complete. You take your thread, put it this way, right? It's complete, right? Now the second one, we're gonna do the same here. In there, in here, in there, in between the tension disc. Come down, so all is the same. What you can do here, some of the machines got markings here of a certain color. So for the bottom one, you can mark it with Q-tex or whatever it is. You just make a dot with any color that you want. Alright, now we'll continue. Put it in this guide here. this guide. Take your thread. You have a guide here, so you're gonna put your cotton in there. Then you have another guide at the back. Let's just turn this in there. Right now, take your thread, put it in your looper from the back, and then let's turn the wheel a little bit. That's your second looper. It's complete. Now we're gonna do the needle. Alright. You can start to the left one or the right one. Right, I'm gonna start to the left here. I'm gonna put it in this guide here. In here. Then you got two holes here. Put it in the guide at the back. And you're gonna put it in here. And then we put it in the needle once we're done with the other one, right? So this one will go in this guide that's here. And in here, and then when you're putting this one, just lift your thread up a little bit, the other one, and then just put it so it doesn't get tangled. Like this can come, both of them can come over here like that. Right, make sure they're inside. Now I'll take your thread, put it in from the front. Right, you all four, grab all four, your cottons, close the cover here, close this cover. So your foot, you're gonna lift up, and then you're gonna lock it into place, and that's it.